It has been way too long since I exposed this Jahil, this wannabe Sheikh Uthman ibn Farook, aka Ibn Fibn, aka Ibn Ketchup, aka Ibn Footnote. In this video, I'm going to prove to you that he doesn't know Surah Al-Fatiha, which is one of the most important and often repeated surahs of the Quran by Muslims. Any real Muslim at a young age must learn Surah Al-Fatiha. So what about someone who claims to be a Sheikh? Now let us watch what happens when Uthman ibn Farook is in front of a classroom teaching Surah Al-Fatiha to other Muslims.
The Quran, some that will write that will just be examples. But from the Quran, when we talk about Malik Yawmiddin, right? Now, Malik, this is to say a king, right? Or owner. We discussed this in the Aqidah Durus. But if it came by itself, it's not, if it's not a sifa, like it's not connected, what does it really tell you? King of what? Owner of what? Right? So, but when you see Malik or Malik, depending on the qira'ah, Yawmiddin, the day of resurrection or jaza, getting back what you deserved, the day of judgment basically.
Notice, my friends, he is in a classroom teaching other Muslims Surah Al-Fatiha, and as you see, Uthman wrote the verse of the Quran on the board as Malik al-Yawm ad-Din. He pretends to be a sheikh and a teacher, yet he doesn't know how to write Surah Al-Fatiha correctly, and here is why. If you pay close attention to the board where he wrote the verse on it, he added an extra alif lam to the word yawm, which is the definite article the or L in the Arabic language. So he changed the word day to the day and corrupted the ayah. By doing that, he exposed his ignorance, and at the same time, he corrupts the Quran of Allah. Wow! Man, this is really embarrassing. I really feel sorry for his proud Muslim followers on social media. Please share this video on the World Wide Web and let it go viral. Stay away from Islam.